Very interesting in exponential equation how we can calculate the value of x plus 2 exponent of x is equal to 5 and x is unknown. In this type of exponential equation, first of all we can eliminate in here x transfer to the right side, their sign is also changed. In here we can write 2 exponent of x is equal to 5 minus x. Here is positive, if we transfer to the right side, so their sign is also changed. In here is minus. So, and here 2 exponent of x, we dividing both sides, we divide 2 exponent of x on each sides to get what is the result in here. 2 exponent of x divided by 2 exponent of x is equal to 5 minus x divided by 2 exponent of x. So this is cancel, we get in here 1 is equal to 5 minus x into this will be changed into 2 exponent of minus x. According to this rules, 1 divided by x exponent of m is equal to x minus m, x exponent of minus n. According to this rule, we is equal to, now we can arrange this term, minus x plus 5 into 2 exponent of minus x. Now multiplying both sides by, and here is 5 according to the Lombard function we try to make in here. So a into e exponent of a is equal to a. So according to this, try to make in here this Lombard function in here. So here is x plus 5 is required. Here we can multiply to multiplying both sides, by 2 exponent of 5. So what is the result in here? 1 multiplied by 2 exponent of 5 is equal to minus x plus 5 into 2 exponent of minus x into 2 exponent of 5. 2 exponent of 5 are multiplied to on each side, so I guess will be 2 exponent of 5 is equal to minus x plus 5. Now when the bases are same, and here according to these rules the bases are same, x exponent of m, x exponent of n is equal to x, we take only one base and we add their power. In case of multiplication we add their power, we take only one base and here minus x plus 5. This 2 we can write according to the natural log of definition. Log of 2 is equal to, we get in here 2, this will be cancelled, we get 2. In the place of this 2 we put in here, this will be also 2 exponent of 5, we get 32 is equal to minus x plus 5. And this 2 we can write in the form of e exponent of log of 2 whole exponent of minus x plus 5. After this one, 32 is equal to minus x plus 5 e exponent of log of 2. Log of 2 is in here multiply by this term, we can get in here, if we multiply this exponent we get minus log of 2 minus x plus 5. Now we are required log of 2 multiply by both sides of this term, multiplying both sides by log of 2, because in here is log of 2 and here is log of 2 is required, and log of 2 32 log of 2 is equal to log of 2 into minus x plus 5 e exponent of log of 2 minus x plus 5. Now applying in here W Lombard function, W lumbered function 32 log of 2 is equal to, this will be considered a, and this will be considered as also a. So according to this W function, W lumbered function, we get in here a. According to this rules we can apply in here, and W log of 2 into minus x plus 5 x plus 5 minus x plus 5. Now close the bracket. Now we get in here W 32 and log of 2 is equal to, this is the value of a, this is the value of a, so log of 2 minus x plus 5. Or we can write this result. Now log of 2 divide on both sides. Again we divide log of 2 on both sides of this equation. So we get in here log of, this will be 32 log of 2 divided by log of 2 is equal to minus log of 2 into minus x plus 5 divided by log of 2. This log of 2 are cancelled to each other, and W 32 log of 2 divided by and log of 2 is equal to minus x plus 5. Now we transfer x to this side, and this side we get positive x, and this result we change to the right side, so their sign is also in here. X is equal to 5 minus W log of 32 log of 2 divided by log of 2. Result we get approximately 1.716 is the solution of this question. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe this video for more attractive comments on this video.